Here, I'll help you. Here, we'll do it together, okay? Put your hands together like you're holding water.
Like that.
Put your hands together just like that. Put your hands together.
Go, kind of together. There you go. Make a cup.
Right there and hold. She's going to sit right there in your hands, right there. Quit biting my arm. What do you think of that? That kind of neat? You got her? Very good.
All by yourself. Wow.
Look at that smile.
The old farmer's coming out in there.
Her name's Consuela. She's a real good talker.
Does she have words, does she say?
Whoa, she's got a whole bunch of words.
Bunch of words. You having fun?
How many legs does she have?
What?
Yep, just one. That's why she lays on her back. You want to hold Consuela again?